Hello, everyone. This is Ina from WP Zoom, and today I'm going to show you how to migrate from the Inspiro Lite theme to the premium version. I already have a website on which I have imported the demo content, and I will show you what happens when you install the premium version. This is the demo that I have already imported on this website. Here's what it looks like when you edit it. The hero area at the top here on the front page is added using a cover block. Now, let's proceed to install the premium version. You can install it from this section if you already have the free version installed, or you can install the premium version from the appearance page using this button. First, you will need to download the zip file with the premium version of the theme, and you can do it from the My Account page on our website, wpzoom.com. Just go to this page and find the Inspiro theme in the list with themes and other products you purchased, and click on the download button. Just be sure it's downloaded as a zip file. You can right-click on the download button and click Save Link As. You can choose the location where you want to save the theme. I will save it on my desktop. I have the theme now downloaded to my computer, so I can go back and install it. Click on the Add New Theme button at the top here, and now click on the Upload Theme button. Let's choose the file that I just downloaded. It's located on my desktop. It might be in your Downloads folder depending on how your browser is configured. And now, let's install it. You'll see that it tells you that this theme has already been installed. This happens because the free version has the same folder name as the premium version. This will replace the free version with the premium version on your website without affecting anything. Let's click on the button. Okay, the theme has been installed successfully. Once the theme is installed, it'll automatically be active. The next step is to activate the license key so you can unlock all its features. You can find the license key on our website on the License Keys page, also under My Account. Just copy the license key here and insert it in this field on your website. Now my license key is active, so I can access different sections like the Demo Importer or the Theme Options page. In the Demo Importer section, you can easily import any available starter sites. Let's take a look at my front page. This is how it looks now. You can access here the Theme Options page from which you can adjust different options for your theme, like the blog page settings and many others. This is all for this video. In the next video, we will talk about the front page, slideshow, and other features. Thank you for watching.